Black Clover, page 255. Exploding Life. No ghosting with a lance. Vanica. I liked your spear at the end there. Too bad, though, when it comes down to it. Attacks like that won't work on... I'm not. Then you kill Lolopechka! Erupts. Point blank sea dragon's roar. And Vanica counters with Red Beast. Counters each other out. Oh. Noelle's going down. See? Pointless. Your attacks can't do a thing to... Pukes of blood. Huh? This is... Girl. What was your name again? Noelle Silva. Clover Kingdom Royal. And a magic knight with the black bulls. I just had a fantastic idea. Magicla? Let's not kill Lolopechka after all. Oh? Why not? I thought it would be best to destroy the wisdom of the Heart Kingdom in advance. Ah, who cares about that? She picks her up. Let's take her to the Spade Kingdom. Huh? The thing is, I remember something. Her mom? I fought a lady in armor like Noelle's ages ago. Her name was, Aesir. Boy, was that fun. Back then, when I took a little kid hostage, Aesir got really strong. Oh. If we take Lolopechka hostage, you'll get a whole lot stronger too, won't you, Noelle? Ha ha ha. I don't really get it. But she's your precious friend, right? Right? Nobody's gonna complain if I keep her with me. Good grief. You're fascinating, Vanica. In that case, we don't need anything in the Heart Kingdom anymore. Scene. Zoomed out. Okay. Lady Vanica, you returned to the Spade Kingdom already? Lolopechka, Noelle, could you wait just a minute? Ooh. I've almost got this girl licked. Would you not talk to me? You're icky. And actually, I don't need you people anymore. Huh? She expands. Course warning magic. Exploding life. Okay. Huh? It's magic. It's swelling. Lady Vanica, what are you doing? It's a curse bomb. Haha. I'm detonating the devil power I gave you, Dark Disciples. Oh, and it's happened to others. Okay. Huh? Wait! Lady Vanica! A luck? Lady Vanica! No! Please wait! Lady Van... Ah! Ah! Explode. This whole area's going to blow sky high. But you're tough enough to survive, right, Noelle? Okay, I'll be waiting for you in the Spade Kingdom. Get stronger, Noelle. Vanica! Boom, boom, boom. Got 5 explosions around. Blowing everything away. Oh! Switch to Yami. Striking. Wahaha. Oh, he's sewn up. More damage. You're truly magnificent. I do hate this ugly magic, but... Okay, fine. As a special favor, I'll show it to you. Yami, Sugihiro. The true power of a human devil host. Transforming? Yami's like, great. In that case, I'll show you the true power of a regular old human. And next chapter hits July 5th. So I'm going back to the oldest brother. He healed up right away. How's Yami gonna feed this guy? Like, wow. Vanica just exploding all 5 of them. I think everyone's okay, right? But man, the fact that she remembered Noelle's mom. So she's taking Lolopechka hostage to make Noelle stronger. Can't wait to see what that looks like. And the counters too. Got Red Beast going in. Point Blink Sea Dragon's Roar. The water just centering. So like when Noelle just transforms, like her clothes just blow off her. So how are they supposed to, defeat Vanica? Man, they're gonna have to like train even more. Break back to their limit. I'm guessing, yeah, we'll continue with Yami's fight. Maybe that'll be the whole chapter. We might even switch to like the other areas that were affected by explosions. See what happened there. So yeah, what are your thoughts? Where you see this going? If you enjoyed the chapter, leave a like. If you're new, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.